It's
All right, and we are ready. Today, I am double happier than I am in my classes. I'm double happy, and as you can see, I am chilled out. I am no dressing up, nothing. I'm in my casual mode. Why? Because today I am not going to be doing the teaching, but I am going to become a student today. Thanks to this wonderful initiative that we have started, which to help you all get across your technical skills. We have volunteers right from the community who are going to be your teachers, your guides, your mentors, everything. So, my heartfelt gratitude for each one of them who has come forward to, share their skills with us. And also, a big star to everyone who has come to learn. So take advantage of these classes, use them. The recording will be shared. Keep doing. They have really worked hard. Preetha, Vanda have worked very hard. They have given you a assignment sheet. They're teaching you. So I'm ready for all of. I'm ready for this. Okay. So over to you, Vanda. Today I'm going to chill. I'm going to just hydrate and I'm going to sit and wait. I'm going to be a student. Over to you now. Niranjan has also joined. Oh, me and Niranjan are now
oh,
in different screens.
okay. Good evening, everyone.
We are in two different screens.
Hi.
Hello, Niranjan.
And yeah, I mean, this is how it all started. This is how it all started. I'm at my cousin's place. And
Oh,
And what a difference this is. Now we are back on two different skins. Achamma, Anna. Ah. So we are back in this. Now we have Achamma's blessing also to start this class with it. And I know we are
thank you, thank you.
learn a lot from this. Let me just spotlight you once. 1 minute. So guys, in
why am
between,
I just on the spotlight? Am I taking the class here?
I will encourage all of you, don't ask, don't unmute and ask questions in between. Rather type the questions for them to answer at the end, or if they'll take it, type the answer in the chat box. So everyone keep
So,
me.
so Vandana, all the best. You're looking fabulous.
Thank you very much.
And I look forward to an amazing session.
She's looking like a
Thank you,
fairy
thank
with
you.
her green dress. Go ahead, Vanda.
Oh, thank you very much for the encouragement. I'm really trying my level best, but I'm not a teacher, so please bear with me, everyone, if I do any mistakes. Okay, so let's start. As it's a session for Excel, so is there anyone beginner who never opened the Excel sheet till now? Can you please tell in the chat box? Anyone who has not even opened the Excel sheet till now? Okay, so we will start from the scratch. Let's we go to file. First of all, are you able to see my screen or you are able to see me?
Yes, everything clear. I can see you, Vanda.
Okay,
We
so
can't see your screen.
okay, fine. So I'm sharing. Are you able to see my screen now?
Now we can see.
Okay. So when you
Vanda
click
madam,
on,
Vanda ma'am, please remind everyone to drink water also, okay?
okay, myself is drinking that coffee.
Okay, hydrate with something.
Okay. So first of all, Excel icon you will get in your Windows. When you click on your Windows icon, you will get it here. Okay. If it is pinned, otherwise you have to go to all apps. You have to go to all apps and there you will find Excel here. And then you have to click over it. When you clicked over it, and mine, it is automatically opening the blank worksheet because I'm always working on blank. But yours may comes like that. It is a home, new, open. Here is a blank worksheet and there are so many templates on the side. You need not to be worried about that. You just have to click over blank workbook. So here is your inside your
Vandana,
Excel
your screen, I
worksheet.
don't know if it's for everyone. I can see only black screen with one white pixel. Is it same for you, Preeta and Niranjan?
Yes, same here. So the screen is not visible from your side, Vandana.
Your
It is
screen
Screen is not
coming
sharing
up
is
as
visible.
a black
paused.
screen with
I
only
only
one
see
cell.
black.
Your screen sharing is paused, it says.
No,
Now,
now it is
Yeah,
fine.
now it's clear.
okay. So, can you see the blank worksheet icon there where I am pointing?
Yes.
Yes. So you have to click on that and you are inside the Excel workbook. This is called Excel workbook. Okay. And on the top, you can see file, home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, view, developer help. These all are all called the tabs. Okay. And in each tab, you will find lots of different things to do. Don't worry, we will do it one by one. So the first thing, you need not to have anything because you have already opened the file. So as we have opened the file, let's start working in that. First, we will know that what all are inside that. Okay, so let's put some data so that we can work on that. Let's put some serial number there. No, first, okay. To go from one cell to other cell, you have to use the tab.
I hope, do you want us to do this with you, Vandana, or wait for you?
Just wait for me to do this small thing, then they can do hands-on with me.
Okay.
Okay. So serial number 1, 2, 3. Later we will fill with the autofill. First understand that this is first line where I put the serial number, name and marks is called the header. Because when you put the data inside, you may or may not remember later what is this. This 80 is what? This 80 is the marks of English. That 70 is the marks of math. Maybe in science, 59. Okay. So first let me put the data, then I will teach each and everything how we are doing it.
Vandana, I think we cannot see the data that you're entering.
Why?
We see a pretty
Your
much
screen
static.
sharing has paused, I think so. It's
Again?
nothing is visible.
Pause share. Why it is pausing again and again?
Yeah, now it's active. Yes.
It's active now.
Mhm.
Why it is pausing and all the data is also left.
Yeah, I think now
Okay,
you can
leave it.
just.
Now, Sanchari, the problem what I'm getting is this black screen is coming on the Excel worksheet. How to hide it?
Have you shared desktop or are you sharing a tab?
I've shared the in the Zoom. I'm not getting the option to share the entire screen.
That shouldn't be the problem. When you share screen, no, click the green button. There will be option of desktop one, whiteboard, Google on different tabs. Yes.
Yes, it is there.
So on it, choose the desktop one.
Desktop one. It is not. It is automatically took. Let me stop sharing and then again I will share. I'm sharing screen. Okay. And then basic and advanced, two things I'm getting.
Basic
Okay,
पे there must be
so
coming desktop one.
there my screen book for show all windows. There's no desktop coming.
Okay,
Select a window or an application that you want to share.
then select Chrome.
Select Chrome. What is happening? But it is not supposed to be happen. I do every time. Optimize for video clip. Share sound.
It should come as whiteboard. Do you see an option of whiteboard?
Yes, I can see the option of whiteboard and iPhone, iPad.
Next to it, there must be Windows, na desktop one, Google Chrome.
There are lots of different windows are coming. My all windows are there. But one window is coming. So I have to select one window only at a time.
Desktop is not coming for you, you are saying.
No, no, no. Let me see. Are you able to see
Yeah.
my screen now?
Yeah, this we
Yes.
can see.
Okay. Now you're able to see the blank worksheet one?
Yeah,
Mhm.
yes.
Okay.
Raw data.
You're able to see this, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
raw
very
data and
much.
data editing.
Yes, yes, yes. Raw data and data data. Okay, let's work on that if it is visible. Do I make it little big for you guys?
Visible.
It's too bigger. This is okay.
Yeah.
Is it visible now?
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah. So, this is the data. Before data, I want to tell you about the navigation in the window. For navigation, I need some data so that you understand what is this. Like, we are in the first cell, which is A1. How the cells are, see, first of all, see A2. This is A2. If you go to press control in your screens and go to enter.
1 minute, Vandana. So, guys, if you see through row, na, it is A, B, C, D, E, F, and the column wise it is
No,
1.
no, no.
Sorry.
Columns are A2.
Column wise are A, B, C, and here it is
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Explain
Yes,
that
yes.
to them, Vandana. What is
Yes.
A2?
Yes. So these all are columns. A, B, C, D are the names of the columns. And 1, 2 and number of row. These are the rows. These all numbers you can see is a row. Okay. And if you want to see the last row, this is the last row. Okay. So it is data is till the 201. And in the columns, if you want to go to end, then it is till the I column. So what is the address of this particular thing which I have selected? Are you able to see, guys? So this is called a cell. And this cell is having an address. Address or reference of the cell is the intersection of the column and row. So if we have to name this cell, so we say that this is K and see the row, which row it is? It is a row number 183. So it is K183. The address of this particular cell is K183. Okay. This row, this is the intersection of that, and this is a reference number or address of this cell, which we are using for all the formulas when we are putting the formulas. So, can you see the first row is having the names written in that instead of data. So these are the headers. Why we need headers? Because afterwards we may or may not aware that what is there in this cell. So to know that what is there, suppose this is a year, this is a quarter, that is a geography, north, east, south, and east. That is a product segment. In this segment, this product is there. And these two, that I'll tell you what is the issue in that. So these all are the headers of the Now, let's work on this. What is this? This all is the column A. And this all is a column B. So if we have to select the column A, then what we have to do, we just need to click on that, it gets selected fully. Or if you want the shortcut for selection, then it is Control. If you want to select the whole sheet, it is Control A. If you want to select the only this one column, you just have to do it like that. It will get selected entire.
Don't
Data
worry,
gets
she will
selected.
give you the recording of this and she'll also give you a sheet. So don't worry of remembering everything, control everything. Watch and observe is maybe.
Just first understand that you are understanding. If you are not understanding, please unmute and ask me. Okay. Now, navigations, like we have to go from one end to the other end. This is the first thing. This is called the home for that. Okay. And that is the end. This is called the end till the data is there. Till the point data is there, it is called the end. Okay. When you go to end, your cursor will come here. Now let's put some data in that and see that how we can format the data in that. Okay. So for formatting, let's put something, name and age. Okay. And serial number. So serial number, Excel is a very smart software, and if you it can autofill for you also. No, it is not taking that. Wait. Take the both values.
Hey, sorry, I'm in a class. Can I just call you back? Thank you. Thank you.
Sorry. Okay. So for name, we want to write, say my name.
So if you see this, for example, that vision board, Excel, and that sheet I had said it, current and destination. If you make them into columns, that is how the sheet will become. That is
Yeah,
how you can make your own sheets as well.
why we put the data in the Excel sheets? Because when we put the data in the tabular form, it is nothing, it's a table. It is easy to access. You can perform operations on that. And it is easy to see also. You can filter it, you can sort it, you can work on that data. So, see, it is, suppose, okay. So these are small things I put in that. Now we will work on this data. How we will work on that data? First, we have selected the whole data. How can we select the whole data when we put it? So for that, you have to do Control why the things are not working here.
What is not working?
I don't know. This is the this is the selection of the whole data. Shortcut keys are not working.
Okay.
So this is a selection of whole data. Suppose this is our table. Now we want to make it look good. So what we can do? We are having lots of option in the formatting. We can bold our headers, can make it italic, can underline it. These are the three options you can use there. After that, you have the border options. In border, we are having lots of options. We can go for bottom border, full border, no border, and all borders. Usually we select all border in the table so that each value is separated. Now, can you see this?
One
the-
minute, Vandana. Avneet has a question. Maybe you can
Yes,
answer.
yes, please. I can see. 1 minute. Chat. Yeah.
Avneet asked.
I just wanted to ask that will it be possible if you can share the list of formulas so that we can try it at home?
We have not even started the formulas yet.
No, she
I will
means
share the
Sorry,
whole.
not the formula, sorry, the shortcut keys.
shortcuts and all.
Yes,
she's asking.
shortcut kits. I'm sharing right now in the. Do I share it in this? Wait.
Okay,
I'll
thank you.
just share. Can you see this?
And even if she doesn't share Avneet, these are all available very easily on internet and all. Don't worry about these shortcuts. Understand where you can apply it. Like all these
Okay.
decorate the table and all, you'll able to do it later also.
Okay, thank you.
Go for it. And you're doing really great.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so now we are here. Oh, 1 minute. Where were we? Lots of files are open. So which file was there?
When you share
have-
ना ऊपर एक screen लिखा हुआ आएगा. Select that screen one, then all your desktop will be shared.
That's what I'm not getting. That's the problem. In Gmeet, I know because I use it very frequently. Wait, I'll just put it in that. I'll add the file in this. I've shared all the shortcuts.
Okay, thanks.
Now, where do I go back? I'm not finding that. Yeah, here. Okay, so this is a table. In this, you see serial number, name, and age. Now, can you see that there is a issue? My name is not properly visible. It is hidden. A little part of the name is hidden. So how can we fix this? Can you see there is a width of the columns here. There is a default width given. We can do it manually also this way. Okay. You can do manually each column, or if you want to do for all, then you just have to go there. Okay. Select the entire thing and you have to go this place and just click once, double click. It's not working. No shortcut keys are working. So when you double click on that, it will take the exact amount of space you required for your table. If your name is more bigger, it will take more bigger space. Like, and when you double click there, see, this will become big. So this is the adjustment of the column width, and you can adjust the row width also in this. These all things you will get format cell in the tab of home. You will get the format. In the format cell size, you will get row height, column width, autofill row height. It means that your row height will be autofit as per your text thickness. If you click on that, fit column width, it will be fit according to your details of the name. Suppose I'm selecting this, first selecting autofit column height. So after that, when I go there and write something, do we have to apply this before? See, it is adjusted as per the details required. Now for that area, if I add there something more, it will automatically adjust it.
Vandana, 1 minute. I think it will be most explained to them if it is through a sheet that they understand. So I am sharing with you a real live case study and you can like edit this on the go and show them. I'm just sharing this in the group. You
Yes.
open this once.
Okay, okay.
Okay, then they'll explain what formatting is. See, I've dropped it in the group. Can you open the sheet? And share it with us.
In the group.
In this chat only.
Okay, in the chat of Zoom.
Yeah.
I was looking for the group. Zoom chat. Okay. Oh, yes. That
Yeah.
is
So you
okay.
open and share this.
Mhm. Okay. So in this is in the Google Sheets.
Huh. The functions will be same. Just open this.
Function will be same.
Huh.
Only this is having more functions compared to Google Sheets. Okay. So first
Ekman,
of
share
all,
the screen and open this. I can't see your screen. I can see only that Vandana.
okay,
my name
it is
screen.
paused. Resume share.
Stop sharing and share again.
Are you able to see that?
No, I
Not
still
yet.
can see Excel basics only.
I have to actually choose, I guess, the same sheet which I want to share. New share. Okay. Yeah, I got screen share.
Huh. So
Yeah.
guys,
Is it okay?
yeah, this is perfect. So guys, this is as it has been opened in GPS version. Now, as you can see, there are different fonts in it. The size and column of this is different. This is a sheet that you all have worked on also. So you can use this sheet to show them how to adjust columns, how to up all of those you can tell.
Okay. So can you see there are serial number categories, current position and future states, right? And font is also having the different colors in that. So how we have done it? First of all, we'll go to the headers. You know that how to put the headers. And this is a border. The lines which you have seen, these are the borders used in that ABCD. Okay, these are the column names and this is a rows. Now, suppose I have to change this health and fitness. Okay, I don't like this font or I don't like this color. Okay, so we have to filter view name range. Where do the other
Edit.
You won't be able to edit use because it's view only. So you will make a
Oh,
copy. So start with that. How to make a copy? Go to file. And file mein there's an option make a copy. So how
make a
teach them.
copy.
So whenever I share any sheet with you guys, don't start editing on that sheet directly. Make a new copy of this.
You can't edit it because it is having view only access. You see that this way you have to make a copy of the sheet, whatever is shared by Sanchari, and you will work in that copy, whatever you want to do with that. Okay, so now you can see that all tabs are open. Earlier it was not visible. Now we are going for health and fitness and we are selecting that. You have to double click to select whatever is inside. For one click, you will select the cell. But if you want to select the content of the cell, then you have to either double click or you have to select it. Okay. So suppose I have selected consistent with workout and I want to change the size of that font. So I'll do, this is 11 is the size of the font. So there is a minus and plus. You can increase it as much as you want. Is it okay? And then there is a bold option. You can bold it. Then there is the italic option, italic. And after that, this is strike through. It is a strike through, but usually we don't use it in a normal way. So we can remove it. And then there is a text color. You can choose any text color from there. Here the text color chosen is a red. We can choose blue, we can choose purple, whatever you like, you can choose. At present, I'm leaving it as it is. It was in the red, okay, and removing all the other details given there. Now we are coming to the future state. Can you see that future state is having a different font? What you say here is MEDDON is a font. That is a font which is used in future state. And the font of current position is Calibre. And the font in the category is Algerian. So all the columns are having different fonts used. So if you want to symmetrize the font, so you can select all the 3 columns together, okay, and you can choose one font. See, all the fonts have changed. If you have to go back, then you have to just go to Control Z. Whenever you have to go back, use Control G so that you will go back to the last step. If you have done any mistake, just go back to the last step and everything is sorted. Now, if you want to work on this, any other thing you want to do in that, since it's only text, we can't do much operation on that except we are using this. Okay, we have done bold, italic, we have done the text color, we know about the font and the font size. Now, this is called indentation, alignment. Means from where the font is going to start and where it is, see, this is the future state. If you see that all lines are starting from different place. So because the alignment of that is this center. If I align it left, or it will start from the left corner of the table. Whatever cell we have used in for that future state, it will start from the left corner of that. If I use the indentation, it will go on the last. So in that, we have used the center one. So I'm putting it in the center one. Now, what else? What else you're getting trouble in the text only? Anyone is having any trouble in entering the text, please ask me. Hello?
So guys, I want everyone to be honest. Can you stop sharing the screen for a second, Vandana?
Yeah.
I want everyone to be honest. How many of you feel really overwhelmed right now? Ki so many commands are happening, so many heights are happening. You're feeling a little left out.
Okay.
According to me, all of you should feel left out because it is a lot. If you are first time using your Excel, it is there. But Vandana is explaining it in the best way possible. If you are trying to listen to her doing it together, then I'm telling you 100% you will not get it. Listen to everything she's saying and later try to implement. Yes, Vandana?
You please open your Excel sheets and write a single one sentence in that.
Now you can
And,
make them do it.
Yes,
Go ahead.
yes.
Share your
Okay.
screen.
Yeah. So write any one sentence only. Don't do anything more. Just write one sentence in one single cell and select it. Anyone is getting trouble in opening the sheet? Please tell me. Sanchari, they can unmute themselves or I have to give permission?
1 minute, let me see.
I think
They
you can
can
just
unmute
unmute.
themselves. Yeah, they can unmute.
Okay. So please tell me if anyone is getting trouble in opening the sheet. Just go to File and click on the blank worksheet. Yes, both are same. Both are same.
Are
99
you sharing something?
are same.
Because no screen is visible if you're sharing something.
No, I'm not sharing anything. I just told them to first open the Excel and write single sentence in one cell. And we are going to do the normal operations on that, like text highlighting and all. So are they able to do it practically by their own? That's what we want to see. Everyone open the sheet. Please give me a reaction because I can't hear anything from anyone. You want me to help you with that? Okay, 1 minute. See, this is a screen, home screen, and there is the blank worksheet, workbook tab. You just have to click on that. Click on that and then write my name is whatever is your name, write this. Okay. Go to it. Give your mobile to it.
Guys, please mute yourself. Wait, I'm muting.
Yeah. Yeah. So my name is Vandana. You write. Hello.
Huh.
Write your name. Have you done the name writing, please? Good. So once you finish with the name writing, you find that your name is going beyond the cell range, beyond the width assigned to your column. So just click in between the C and B cell. There is a line you can view. Just double click on that and you will find the exact same width which is required for your sentence.
Vandana, I think your screen is like stuck. I cannot see whatever you're doing right now. Can you try to reshare again, please?
Yes. Is it okay now? Can you see?
Yes, working now. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, visible.
Can you see it now? My name is Vandana is written there.
Yes, it is clear now.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So you can see that it is going beyond the width of the B column. So you just have to click in between B and C. Can you see the arrow? This is the arrow. You just have to click there and you will find that the width of the column is increased. Now, after that, you just have to select this thing. My name is Vandana. Just have to select this entire and then you will perform all the operation on that for the formatting. You can make it bold. You can do italic, underline. You can put the border over it. You can fill the cell with the color and you can change the text color also. So please try all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things on your Excel sheet.
And maybe how to name the file?
Sorry.
Maybe how to name the file. Right now, the file does not have a name, right?
Yeah. I am not even touched that thing. I'm just telling the text formatting right now. After the text formatting, we will go to this entering the data types. At the end, I'll tell about the saving of the file and printing of the file. So you want me to take it now?
No, don't take it now. Let them complete this and come back, then we'll do it.
Okay. So is it done?
Vandana, could I ask a question, please?
Yeah,
Bonaya. Yeah,
please.
just show me how to increase the height of the row. You showed us the column, but
Yes. You can increase the height of the row for the format cell. Go to format cells and click over that. The very first option is row height.
something how you showed us to increase the width.
Yes. See, when you click on the row height, there is a size of the row given here. You have to
Okay.
change that size. Suppose you are putting it 20. Okay, so it will turn to 20. It will work only on the selected cell. If you select that range, if you select a range of cells, okay, then it will work on that. If you select the whole worksheet, then it will work on whole worksheet. See,
Okay.
only these cells. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Is it done, guys? Please, can we go further? Okay, so this is done. Formatting, first part of the formatting part is done. And then it comes to indentation. Alignment. Alignment, I told that whether we are keeping the this thing in the left side or right side or better. As we have used the auto fit row, so the height it will be like in the full. I made the width of the column more, so we can align it now. See, it's middle alignment, it's right alignment, and that is left alignment. That part is done. No, this is not required. That is not required. That is. So, suppose like I made it in the marks, I have written the marks here. Okay, marks, and under that there are 3 subjects: English, math, and science. So it looks odd, right? Marks are of English, math, and science. So what we can do, we can select all these 3 cells together and we go there and select merge and center. So these 3 cells in this cell number C3 to E3 are merged together and marks word which we have written in that comes in the middle. So that way we can merge the cells when we are making the forms or when we are making the any kind of formatting. That time we can use this. Suppose like we are I'm making a table here. I'm selecting this area. Okay. And I'm using this and making a border. Now I have to enter the data in that. So first line is a header. So we can fill it with the color and we can put whatever we have to put in that and then enter the data. So in that case, we can now merge the cells whenever we required. Suppose here one number and two number is here. Data in the one number is more than the width of the cell. So can you see that this is going till here? So how can I use it like in this way? So I have to select all this text. After selecting, I have to go to merge and wrap. It will be wrap and now. Ivara, where is the wrap?
Don't select the cell, content, just select the cell.
Yeah, I
Go to
selected,
home
but
only.
I'm not finding wrap. There's a
Yeah, just come out of the cell, like come out of the selected data, just come out of the cell. Yeah, now
I
go
think
back to
you
the cell.
this is merge and center.
Above that is there, no? ABC, you can see. That is the
Yeah,
practice.
now it is
just
visible.
right click it, you will have it on the right click also.
It was not actually
If you select the
see.
content, it will not come. You will have to
Wrap text,
some.
yeah.
It came now. Yeah. So can you see that it is wrap, but it is not showing because the width of the row is not. Okay, now I'm selecting it. Just see. We are talking about the height of the row. Now we can use it. Format cell. It is not coming. With the data, it is not coming. It has to be, it is supposed to come. Why they are not working properly? I can do it that way and okay, we'll do the other things. Okay. I'm going to merge these two lines together. Okay, these two and merge and center. It's not working.
Wrap has been removed. Can you just apply it again? Just apply the wrap test again and it will be good. Yes.
Yeah, it's working. Thank you. Thank you for the help. Okay, so we have used the merge and center and then wrap text. These both has to be used together. First merge and center and then wrap. Okay, so if your data is going out of the place and you don't have a space, you can't go, suppose you have to print this sheet, you can print only one column, right? So you need the 5-6 columns. So you have to make this text in that area only. So you have the three options. One, to increase the width of the row, height of the row, and otherwise you can merge and wrap the text. Second, we have done this. We have done merge, wrap, and then increase the indent. Move your content further away from the cell border. And this we have done on this accounting. These are not required. This is a conditional formatting and that will come later once there is a data with us. This is just we are working with the text. So next we'll work with the numbers. Let's work with the numbers. For numbers, entry of the numbers are of two types. One is normal number, which is having nothing. Okay. Other number is where there is a point, decimal. So let's check the go to format cell. Go to any select any cell, okay, and go to format cell. You will find numbers, alignments, font, border, fill, and protection. Can you see in numbers there are categories? By default, each cell is having the journal category. Means you can fill anything in that. But if you fill anything in that, you are able to fill, but you cannot perform the operations on the same. So we have to select what we are going to fill in that particular column. So if we are going to fill the numbers, then we have to select numbers. Usually number also work in the normal way, but for date, time and percentage and fraction, we need to select. Once you select the number, can you see there is a decimal places written there? So in normal Indian currency, we use 2 decimal places. So there is a 2 already written. And if you don't want a decimal, you make it 0. Or otherwise, you can select something here, which is having no decimal place. Or if you want the decimal place, you can make it 2. Once you put it like that, then after that, you have to click on OK. When you click on OK, after that, when you put 5 here, can you see 5.00? So in the properties of this particular column, it is conditioned that it has to be put 0.00 over any numeric pages you are putting in this particular column. See, put 5 here, it will take normal. But if you put here, it will take 2 decimal place.
Vandna, after this, we can give the formatting ones for them to read on their own and do this. You can shift to the next topic. Formatting, editing, and all these are things they will learn from practice only. So you give them the sheet. You can move on to the next topic. Addition, basic functions, all that.
Okay, fine. It's just left. We did the formatting part here. Insert and delete is left. Okay. So this insert cells and deleting and inserting the columns we will do. Can you see this? I'm selecting the B column. You just have to right click on that and delete it. That's it. It's not difficult. You just have to select and delete. And if you want to insert a column, then you have to select this and insert. When you insert a column, the column will come on the left side of this. And when you insert a row, the row will come above that. Always. So insert row, you just have to select one row and click over that, and you just have to go to insert. For deleting row, you just have to go to select the select the row and click on delete. That's it. Insert and delete row is done, and format cell we have already done, set row height and column width. Now hide and unhide. If you want to hide a row or hide a column, you just have to select it and click on hide and unhide. That's it. Suppose I selected that H row, okay, and I'm going there and then I'm doing hide. See, H is hidden. Now, how to find that this data is having some hidden? You see, there is a small white color line there is between G and I. That shows that the data is hidden in between. So you just have to go back there on the format cell and you have to go back to unhide. Unhide column. It is there. Same way, if you want to hide the row number 4, you have to go there and hide. You can select the multiple rows also. Remember, this is 5 to 9 number. There's no data. It is not taking without data. Okay. See, now we can unhide it. So this particularly home tab is done. Yeah, one paste, cut, copy, paste is left. If you want me, it's a very simple commands like for cut, control. Control C. Can you see this green this thing? This is a cut. Now, after cutting, wherever you want to paste, you have to go to that cell, select there, and you have to use Control V. This all will be pasted on that. If you want to shift the data, you don't want the data there, then instead of using Control C, use Control X. Like I'm using it Control X, okay, and I'm using this data here. This data will shift from this point to this point. Control C means we are copying the data, but the data will remain on the same place as it is. So cut, copy, paste is already done. And do we go to the numbers and formulas?
I think you can show them sum and all one formula you can give them, and then I think we can call it a day. Some you can give them.
Okay. Wait.
Ask them how they are doing. What is their level now? Do they want to learn more? Who am I to say? Ask them.
Yeah. Okay. So we will do very simple operation in this. Right. So we are having is my screen visible of product January, February?
No, it is the 5, 10, 5.0, 10.0 only.
No. Stop here.
And don't worry, yaar, हमारे साथ भी यही होता है in the workshop. Some function will not do. I struggle. I start sweating. It's okay. It always happens.
No, but it is not supposed to happen. Like
Yeah,
same thing I
only
was
in
doing.
class during it will happen. Many things happen. I'm not able to find an Excel sheet and all. It's okay. You're doing great.
Okay. So can you see the now product January, February, March total
Yes.
sales? Is it visible, Sanchari?
Yes,
Now?
yes, it is visible.
Okay, fine. So can you see there is a heading of products. Under that there are 5 products written, and there is a name of months written January, February, March, and after that we have used the formula in this. Okay, I will do one thing. I will just do the copy of the same so that so I'll just remove all the values from here. So we are having the product and their sales. In January, twice are sold that much, February, March. And now I want to know the total sales. So it's a very simple thing that we have to add all the 3 months sales to get the total sales. So how we do it in the Excel? In Excel, whenever we have to apply any any formula, okay, so we have to use the sign of equals to. What does it mean? See, the totals in the mathematics, what we are doing, whenever we have to remove that, every month sales is that much. So total sales equals to. So heading is total sales. So that we are using here equals to. Equals to. Then we are, there are two ways. The simple way is that you will add 100, then use the plus sign. Then add 200, use the plus sign. Then add 200 again. This is a normal thing. You get 500. But I don't like this. Okay. So we are having, why we are using the Excel? Because we are having the very small special thing in that cell reference, cell name, cell address. Okay. So this cell address is B13. Right? What is this? B13. So here what we are doing, we are putting the sign of equals to, and we are just going and clicking on that cell, and it will put it here B13. Okay. Then we are putting the sign of plus. Okay. Then we are going to the second cell, selecting it. Then we are putting the sign of plus. Then we are going to the third cell, selecting it, and then putting the enter. You got this. First, you're putting all the values. Second, you're only selecting the cell reference numbers. Now the third way. Third way is very easy. You just put the equals to sign and just select the whole. This is called range. I'll just tell you about the range. Okay. You select this all. Okay. But before that, you have to, what you want to do with that? You want to sum it. Sum. Okay. And this is a range. I'll just tell you about that. First, you see that what happened. You got the same answer here. Right? So first we have to now. There is a one more way for that. You just have to select these three. I don't know if it will work vertical or not. You just have to go to auto sum. You need not to do anything. There is a function for auto sum is given there, which you can use with a shortcut key Alt plus equals to. For that, let's see. Try there. Okay. Alt. Say. If you use Alt and equals to sign together, it automatically select the range and the formula for the same. And you just have to enter it. And there is a one more catch. See, we have done this. Now I'm having this. So I need not to put the formula again. I just have to drag it. So when we are dragging it down, Excel is an intelligent software. It takes automatically the formula. See, the formula here is B14, C14, and sorry, B14 to D14. Yeah, I forget to tell you what is this. This is called range. It means that we are selecting from this point to this point. The starting point is B14 and the end point is D14. When we are putting the range, the first thing which we are putting in the range is first column, and then there is a sign of colon in that in between, and then we put the last column, whatever it is. Okay, suppose it is, if it is F. Okay, so you have to put that, and then this is called the range. I'm selecting this all. So we are selecting the range from B12 to F17. And if we're starting from here, then it is A12 to F17. Here I'll tell you about this continuous data. Continuous data means that data, there is no row or column missing in between. Like if there is no
Vanna, too
empty row in
technical.
between.
You don't have to get into all that. It will
Okay.
get too technical.
Actually, I have to tell this because if they're using any other table in that, if you have to put, okay, understand it this way. If in the same sheet you want to make another table, any other table, just leave one blank column or one blank row in between. Otherwise, it will treat it as a continuous data and it will perform the same operation on that data.
Yeah, okay.
Like for example, this part, I'm putting my cursor here. Okay, so I'm going control and it is coming to profit, right? And I'm going control page down, it is coming to grooming item. If I add a empty row in between, insert a row. So if I'm going here and putting control down, it will come to electronics. It will not go to daily item because there is a blank row in between and it consider it a different data. Whenever you have to use one page for different tables, to keep either one row or one column in between. Okay. So that it will not treat as a continuous data and same operation will not be performed on that.
Vandana, Vandana, we are going a little, I wanted to finish this class and it's going a little heavy also. I can see from the expressions. Let's stop
Okay.
at this table and all of this people, let them practice and then we'll go on. Maybe you can show them the homework and all of this. I think, or guys, are you ready for a few more functions? You decide, guys. I'm looking at your expressions and I'm feeling
I
like
just put plus only. I just showed some only.
yeah, no, I mean, do you want to, yes, go ahead with it, or do you want to stop here? Stop or go? Comment in stop or go. Let's do it according to this. Okay.
Janvi say no.
But Bona is
And
saying go.
yeah.
Go. Tell them a little bit.
Okay. So this is, we have just done the plus, which is auto sum given here. I told you 4 or 5 methods to do that. Okay. Now you see that when I'm putting the total sales, it is already automatically taking the profits because actually I have entered the formula there. I'll show you here. So we are having a total sales. Okay. After the total sales, you see that if I sell, I put 5%. Right. So when you're going there, you see that I put a formula here. So formula says E4, that is total sales. Okay. E4 multiplied by I2. E4 multiplied by I2. Now you may be able to see the $2 signs before I and before 2. So what is this?
That will be very technical,
dollar signs.
Vandana.
It's technical.
It's getting very technical that even I am having trouble understanding this. It's not a.
That is the first day.
But
Okay.
That we use in data analysis. Yeah, this is little technical. Dollar, I think you don't need.
No, but if they are not, suppose the profit is, if you are making any kind of profit calculations, so profit will be 1, right? So if you are not using the dollar sign, okay, I'll tell you. I'll show you what will happen if you will not use the dollar sign.
See, understand, anybody coming from this class tomorrow is not going to make an Excel sheet to calculate their finances.
Okay, fine. Leave it.
Don't so complicated into
okay, now we have done only home tab. Okay, in the home tab we have not come to insert, page layout, formulas, data, reviews, everything is pending. We have just done the home tab and this sum function is itself on the home tab only. Okay, so anyone can send me message in the personal also. If you are having any trouble in that, I can help you. Just finish this home tab only because everything is done. Do I do sort and filter? It is easy.
Sorting filter maybe I can handle tomorrow during the finance thing because it covers in the finance thing as well.
Sort and filter.
Yeah.
Okay, as you feel like.
Sorting
Fine.
filter you can show.
Sorting. Okay. Okay. So you see that data is there. Okay. So first for sorting, you have to select the data. You can select one single cell in that. Okay, and go there. There is a sort and filter. You can see this funnel kind of things. Click on that. Then see that here is a sort smallest to largest, right? Can you see this?
Yes. Yes, we can see.
Okay. Now you see that the data is sorted. Smallest is first and the biggest is on the end. So if you want to apply it all over, then you can use that and sort. Sort A to Z means smallest is first and largest is at the end. And sorting G to A is biggest is first and the smallest is end. Same. Above that way only. Yeah. So see that biggest is on the top and smallest is at the end. Now the last part is filter. How to apply the filter? For filter, you have to select, okay, and then go there, sort and filter. Filter. Can you see this thing here as a
Yes.
this icon? Yeah. So click on that. When you click on that, you will find the list of name of product. There is a select all daily items, electronic, furniture, grooming items twice. Suppose you want to see only about the grooming items. So decheck, uncheck the select all and go to grooming item and do it okay. So you will get only grooming items. And if you have to go for daily needs and grooming items, you will see these two. And if you want to this filter with the numbers are there. You can only see 200 or 300. If you want to filter over that, that is also possible. But preferably we filter on the categories. It is easy and it is practical. It is going to give you some kind of insight. Okay, so next last thing left on this is we have opened the file. We put the data in that. We are aware about the data types now and text and numbers we added in that. Now what to do with this file? So we have to go to file and if we are saving it first time, we have to use save as. Click on save as. Then you will get the option that you want to save it on your OneDrive or Google Drive on this PC. And then after that, add a place, leave that, don't go to that. And there is a browse button. Go to browse button. You will get the option where do you want to save it. Would you like to make it a new folder? You see there is a new folder. Create a new folder. Okay. So make a new folder and name it SoulFlow self-plan. Okay. Click on that folder. And then there you save that file. Now this file is saved there. Now if you have to open that file, then go to files, go to, if you have opened it recently, then you will find it in the recent tab, okay. And if it is not there, then you have to go to open. Okay. And go to browse. Where you have saved the file, it is there. Okay. Click on that file and click on open. It will be opening.
All right. Thank you so much, Vanda, for all this. It has been just so cool of you to do this. First of all, everyone, I will share this recording with you so you can keep on going ahead. And I also think Vanda has small homework. Vanda and Preeta have some small homework for you as well. So you can share that as well with them. Superb, guys.
Yeah, Ivara is actually doing the homework part.
Sorry.
Ivara is actually doing the homework part.
Yes,
Ivara,
yes,
you're there,
yes.
right?
Okay. No worries. You share on the
Yes,
group.
yes, I'm here.
So that is a file. Can I share the file itself?
You share all that. I meant that homework file only, how to copy, how to paste, all that you share. Guys, Excel will take time to do it, but Vanna has simplified it like nobody else could. So go home, practice, and she's always available for you no matter what doubt you have.
If I will not check the message, please you are open to ping me anytime, because sometimes I don't see the WhatsApp.
Yeah.
So you can call me directly.
So can you take some doubts now, or are you tired now?
Yes, yes,
Vanna,
yes.
to
No,
take
no,
the
I'm not
quiz?
tired. There's too much. I have only taken the 0.5%.
So you will understand now my problem also when teaching.
Yes,
There is
yes,
lot
yes,
of
yes.
syllabus and I realize that there is there. Then on the go, I have to adjust the syllabus such that, half of it is there and doing it. It is.
I took the 18 points. I have only covered 4 points.
This is a real time problem, underestimating or overestimating how much time it will take to cover.
Right, right. Because formatting part actually I had not taken in accounts, but it came in between.
Okay, so anyone, guys, any questions?
Please ask. This is my first class also, so I'm also
Is it
learning
your
with you
first
guys.
time? I thought you used to teach.
Yes. No, never, never.
This is your first class. I thought you
Yeah.
took classes and all in general.
No, never. I never did it before in my
Then
life.
very, very, very good stuff done. Couple of feedback I'll give it to you in person, but otherwise it is like I said. I thought you take regular classes. That's why also I did not ask you yesterday how was
No,
your
no.
preparation, or I did because I thought you're used to this.
No,
Oh, this
lots
is a
of
very
things
big
are on the
surprise
mind.
to me. You did awesome, yaar. You did awesome.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for bearing with me. I knew that it is overwhelming for some people, but I try to do as easy as possible for me, because once you are used to some things, it is very difficult for you to put it in the very simple terms.
Yeah. Why now you will now fully understand my issue going ahead.
Really, really. I understand that when you know that you say, oh my God, this how to simplify it more. But you really simplify, especially Niranjan and his patience to answer small things 10 times.
That
Really.
even I don't have. Matlab
Yeah.
Niranjan se I try to learn this patience of simplifying and doing it every day. Hats off
Right.
to you. Okay, then I don't think there are
Okay.
questions, or if there are, they'll answer in the group. Thank you so much. We'll see you at 8 p.m. tomorrow again.
Can you
Thank
show
you.
the homework sheet once before we leave? It's better that way, I guess.
Yeah.
Like what we want them to fill in the homework sheet.
Homework sheet actually what Ivara made is for putting the your expense data. So you want that, or you want the homework for the commands what we have done now?
That
So I will
commands and all
create it.
practice sheet.
Yeah.
Evara wala,
Okay.
you show them in class tomorrow itself how to fill it in there. That will they need it. Today only the classes that you shared.
Okay. Give me half an hour. I'll just create for that, and I will
Tomorrow
share
morning.
all commands. No, I'll share in half an hour, 1 hour after.
Use
Afterward in the
ChatGPT.
group.
I showed you now how to use it using ChatGPT to generate an entire list. Send it that way. Don't put too much work into this, okay?
Okay. No problem. I'll do it. Okay.
Thank you
So
again.
please, girls, please do it, because seeing will not solve every time, because we think that everything is okay. Like myself, 50% of commands were not working. I don't know why.
Right.
Also, no shortcut was working today. Maybe they are not willing to work. They want me to go long way.
And again, guys, don't think that it is a very stupid question, silly question. Should I ask her? Should I not ask her? Please ask her.
Okay, anyone is having a problem with the Google Sheets now to open it? See, Google Sheets are on the internet. Okay. So until unless someone provide you the access to edit it, you're not able to edit it. Reason that suppose Sanchari provide you the access to edit it, then what will happen? Her sheet will get edited, right, with your data. So your data is required by you, not by her. So you have to make your own copy, edit it at your place, and let the Sanchari sheet be ready for everyone else and us and you. So with that, I'm saying bye-bye to everyone. Thank you very much for bearing with me. Thank you.
Thank you, Vandana. It was awesome.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye, everyone.